when you love everything about yourself, you love everything that is branded self on it. And it's sad that the country is where it is now because we lack self-love. It is sad we're not supporting each other because we lack self-love. Kabotu, how we taught, and then the decision is okay to let me do it. How we taught, what like the whole, the decision is advanced on to you. So element e ke batla mo tlisa wena go hobane ha re ithate ha ke tlo dumela go na le ntwe ntle nka thola mo nka mpa ka batla motho mo nka ntle ke ka go tla fumana ntwe sede e le hore ha mona most of our big industries are foreign owned, you understand? And there are some that are still growing even now, but people who are in the forefront are foreigners. It's because it's shotile go mani mo lo ngwana Mosotho ka bo mumba ha ke ntho se I can do it ke ntho se jwale le ngwane no o dumela lo ngwane can do it, you understand? Ke dumela hore ke ntho se le o ntho se le decision re tla di etsa di advance. So respana ka silos in that when we like self-love.
Okay. So what can we do? What will you do going forward from now
as a nation?
Yeah.
You see, the power of civic education, advocacy. We need to groom young people, cultivate a different mentality altogether about how to view things, about leadership, because element of self-love emulates from leadership, leading self. If you cannot lead yourself with love, you won't lead me with love. However, you are Hitler to yourself, you'll be Hitler to the next person. So we need to cultivate a generation of young people who are well self-led, who will be able to lead interpersonally, and now in the long run, who will be able to lead organizationally. And then it translates to who will lead nationally. Unless we cultivate a change of mindsets in generations to come, I would not want my child to be here.